Have you ever wondered how some people make hundreds, even thousands of dollars flipping items on eBay without having a huge investment or special skills? The secret isn't complicated. It's about finding items that are cheap, easy to source, and in high demand. These are items where a small investment can turn into a huge percentage profit. In this video, we'll reveal the categories that make the most profit, explain why they sell so well, and give tips on how to spot them in stores, garage sales, or even your own home. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for to start turning ordinary items into serious cash. Vintage electronics and retro gaming gear. Vintage electronics and retro gaming gear are among the most profitable items to flip on eBay. Consoles like the original PlayStation, NES, Sega Genesis, and Game Boy often sell for 5 to 10 times their original price, especially in good condition. Even for parts, items can yield substantial profits, as collectors are often willing to restore or salvage components. Retro audio equipment, including old CD players and cassette decks, also has a steady market due to nostalgia and collectors seeking rare items. The best part is that these items are easy to find at thrift stores, estate sales, or local classifieds, and they are usually small enough to ship easily. Even if the device isn't fully functional, parts and accessories can still sell individually, giving multiple opportunities for profit from a single purchase. Vintage and designer clothing. Clothing is another highly profitable eBay category, especially vintage or designer pieces. Items like band t-shirts, 90s sportswear, retro jackets, and authentic designer clothing often carry high resale value. Thrift stores, clearance sales, and estate sales are gold mines for these finds. While many people overlook secondhand clothing, there is a dedicated audience willing to pay premium prices for rare or authentic items. Even small details, like a limited edition tag or a recognizable brand, can make a huge difference in how much an item sells for. Some sellers have turned flipping vintage clothing into a full-time business, and the key is learning to spot the right items, verify authenticity, and present them attractively in your eBay listings. Sealed or retired Lego sets and collectible toys. Lego sets and collectible toys are another category that generates high profit margins. Sealed, retired Lego sets often increase in value over time because they are no longer in production. Popular themes like Star Wars, Harry Potter, and niche creator or architecture sets have strong demand among collectors. Even older board games and action figures can sell for much more than their original price if they are in good condition or sealed. Finding these items can be as simple as checking clearance racks, visiting local garage sales, or monitoring online marketplaces for underpriced stock. The rarity of the items is a major driver of their resale value, making them highly profitable if you know what to look for. Vintage cameras, lenses, and photography gear. Photography equipment, especially vintage cameras and lenses, has become increasingly popular among enthusiasts and collectors. Classic models from brands like Canon, Nikon, Pentax, and Leica often resell for multiples of their purchase price. Even if the camera or lens isn't fully functional, many buyers are interested in restoration projects or collecting rare items. Film photography has made a strong comeback, and the nostalgia factor drives consistent demand. These items are often compact and lightweight, which makes shipping relatively simple, and sourcing them from thrift stores, estate sales, or secondhand shops can yield incredible margins. Detailed descriptions, clear images, and honest notes about functionality can make the difference between a fast sale and a long wait on eBay. Trading cards, memorabilia, and niche collectibles. Trading cards and memorabilia remain one of the most profitable categories on eBay, mainly when you focus on graded or rare items. Sports cards, Pokémon cards, and other collectible cards can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars if they are in mint condition or officially graded. Memorabilia such as vintage movie posters, autographs, or rare toys also attracts collectors willing to pay top dollar. The key here is understanding the market and properly authenticating your items. Items that seem ordinary to most people can have tremendous value to a collector. Checking sold listings on eBay before purchasing can help you determine whether an item has proven resale value ensuring you invest only in items with high profit potential. Household and craft items. Some of the easiest items to flip are simple household or craft items. High-quality kitchen gadgets, branded tools, or specialty craft supplies often sell for much more online than in stores. For example, specific brands of baking molds, artisan tools, or specialty storage items can be picked up inexpensively at clearance or thrift stores and then sold for multiples on eBay. These items are generally lightweight and easy to ship, making them ideal for beginner resellers. The primary strategy is to look for popular, well-reviewed products that are in new or like-new condition. Small, practical items with brand recognition consistently outperform larger, bulkier items. Books, comics, and educational materials. While books might seem low profit at first glance, rare or collectible editions can bring significant margins. First editions, out-of-print books, or vintage comics often have a dedicated buyer base willing to pay well above retail prices. Educational materials, such as classic textbooks or reference guides, can also experience seasonal spikes in demand, particularly around back-to-school periods. eBay makes it easy to verify what similar items have sold for, so you can make informed decisions before purchasing. Even common books can be profitable if bought in bulk from thrift stores or library sales, especially when combined with careful listing techniques and free shipping offers to attract buyers. Tips for maximizing profit. To truly maximize your eBay profit, the first step is to buy low. Look for deals where the purchase price is a small fraction of the resale value. Next, research demand. Always check sold listings to ensure the item sells regularly. High-demand, low-supply items yield the highest margins. Presentation matters as well. High-quality photos, accurate descriptions, and detailed notes about condition build buyer trust and reduce returns. Shipping efficiently is also crucial. Smaller, lightweight items generally sell faster and have lower shipping costs. Finally, stay informed about trends. Nostalgia waves, collector trends, and seasonal demand can all affect what items are profitable at any given time. What to avoid? Not every item is worth flipping. Heavy furniture or bulky appliances can eat into your profits due to shipping costs. Low demand, mass-market products, especially modern fast fashion clothing and generic electronics, often face stiff competition and slim margins. Avoid items that have high competition but slow turnover. They tie up cash and storage space without guaranteeing a profit. Stick to items that are easy to ship, have verified demand, and can be sourced cheaply. Flipping items on eBay isn't magic. It's a combination of knowledge, patience, and innovative sourcing. With categories like vintage electronics, designer clothing, collectibles, cameras, and niche household items, even beginners can turn small investments into significant profits. Start small, focus on learning what sells, and reinvest your earnings. Over time, you'll build a system that consistently finds high-margin items, making eBay a reliable income stream. Start hunting today, and remember, sometimes the most profitable items are hiding in plain sight.